Colors are more than just visual stimuli. They can profoundly impact our emotions, behavior, and overall well-being. From the soothing hues of blue to the energizing shades of red, understanding how colors affect us can help us create environments that enhance our mood and productivity. Welcome back to our channel, where we explore the fascinating world of personality development and psychology. Today, let's dive into how colors influence our mood and behavior. 1. Red, the color of energy and passion. Red is a powerful color that evokes strong emotions. It's associated with passion, energy, and excitement. Studies have shown that red can increase heart rate and create a sense of urgency. This is why it's often used in advertising to grab attention and in restaurants to stimulate appetite. However, too much red can be overwhelming and lead to feelings of aggression or stress. To balance its intensity, use red as an accent color rather than the dominant hue in your environment. Whether it's a red accent wall, a piece of furniture, or accessories, incorporating red in moderation can add vibrancy and energy to any space. 2. Blue, the calming influence. Blue is known for its calming and soothing effects. It's often associated with tranquility, trust, and reliability. Studies have found that blue can lower blood pressure and slow down the heart rate, making it an excellent choice for bedrooms and other spaces where relaxation is desired. Different shades of blue can have varying effects. Lighter blues are often perceived as more calming and serene, while darker blues can evoke feelings of stability and professionalism. Incorporating blue into your environment can help create a peaceful and productive atmosphere. 3. Yellow. The cheerful mood booster yellow is a bright and cheerful color that can evoke feelings of happiness and optimism. It's often associated with sunshine and warmth, making it an excellent choice for spaces that need a little uplifting. Yellow can stimulate mental activity and increase energy levels, making it ideal for kitchens, living rooms, and offices. However, too much yellow can be overwhelming and may lead to feelings of frustration or anxiety. To avoid this, use yellow sparingly and pair it with more calming colors like white or gray. Adding yellow accents, such as throw pillows, artwork, or flowers, can brighten up a space without overpowering it. 4. Green, the color of balance and harmony. Green is a color that represents nature, growth, and renewal. It's known for its calming and refreshing effects, making it a great choice for almost any room. Green can help reduce stress and promote a sense of balance and harmony. It's also believed to improve concentration and efficiency, making it a popular choice for home offices and study areas. Incorporate green through plants, which not only add a splash of color, but also improve air quality. You can also use green in your decor, such as with green walls, furniture, or accessories, to create a serene and rejuvenating environment. 5. Orange, the color of creativity and enthusiasm. Orange is a vibrant and energetic color that combines the warmth of red and the cheerfulness of yellow. It's often associated with enthusiasm, creativity, and excitement. Orange can stimulate mental activity and boost energy levels, making it a great choice for creative spaces, gyms, and social areas. Like red and yellow, too much orange can be overwhelming. Use it as an accent color to add a pop of energy and excitement to your space. Whether it's an orange throw blanket, artwork, or a piece of furniture, a touch of orange can invigorate your environment. 6. Purple, the color of luxury and imagination. Purple is often associated with luxury, creativity, and spirituality. It's a color that can inspire creativity and imagination, making it a great choice for artistic spaces. Lighter shades of purple, such as lavender, have a calming effect, while darker shades, like eggplant, can add a sense of sophistication and mystery. Incorporate purple into your environment through textiles, such as curtains, rugs, or bedding. You can also use purple in your decor, like with purple accent walls or artwork, to create a luxurious and imaginative atmosphere. 7. Pink, the calming comfort. Pink is often associated with love, kindness, and calmness. It has a soothing effect and can evoke feelings of warmth and comfort. Lighter shades of pink are often used in bedrooms and bathrooms to create a relaxing and nurturing environment. While pink is traditionally seen as a feminine color, it can be used in various settings to add a touch of calmness and serenity. Incorporate pink through soft furnishings, such as pillows, blankets, or artwork, to create a comforting and inviting space. 8. Brown, the grounding earth tone. Brown is a natural and earthy color that evokes feelings of stability, reliability, and comfort. It's often associated with the earth and can create a grounding and warm environment. Brown tones are great for living rooms, libraries, and other spaces where a cozy and secure atmosphere is desired. Incorporate brown through wooden furniture, floors, or decor items like baskets and frames. Combining brown with other natural colors such as green or beige can enhance the grounding effect and create a harmonious and inviting space. 9. White. The clean slate white is often associated with purity, simplicity, and cleanliness. It can create a sense of space and openness, making it a popular choice for modern and minimalist designs. White reflects light, making rooms appear brighter and more spacious. However, too much white can feel sterile and cold. To avoid this, add warmth and texture through accessories like rugs, cushions, and artwork. Combining white with other colors can create a balanced and welcoming environment. 10. Gray, the neutral sophisticate. Gray is a versatile and sophisticated color that can create a calming and elegant atmosphere. It's a neutral color that works well with almost any other color, making it a popular choice for contemporary and modern designs. Different shades of gray can have varying effects. Lighter grays can create a more open and airy feel, while darker grays can add depth and sophistication. Incorporate gray through walls, furniture, or accessories to create a stylish and tranquil environment. 11. Black, the bold and powerful. Black is a powerful and elegant color that can create a dramatic and sophisticated atmosphere. It's often associated with luxury, formality, and mystery. While black can be intimidating if overused, it can add a touch of elegance and boldness when used appropriately. Use black as an accent color to create contrast and depth in your space. Black furniture, frames, or accessories can add a sense of sophistication and modernity to your environment. Combining black with other colors, such as white or gold, can create a striking and balanced look. 12. Multicolor, the playful spectrum. Using multiple colors can create a